If you could take a look in our modern culture and modern science right now, you will find that our modern culture and modern science always seeing an intelligence as a one single aspect. That is why the level of stress in our people, in modern people right now, are so high. But you see, in yoga culture, we always seeing an intelligence as a four dimension. At least, if you could at least master the three of them, you will find yourself that you can relieve yourself from all kind of stress, because you are putting the very burden of your mind in an appropriate place of intelligence. Okay, you see, the first aspect or first dimension of intelligence in yoga culture is called buddhi. The very nature of buddhi is to distinguish one thing from another, to know something. In other words, in a modern language right now, we call it as a knowledge. You see, in a yoga culture, we always referring buddhi as a sharp knife or as a cutting instrument. And unfortunately, buddhi is the only aspect of intelligence that our modern science using right now. That is why the stress level of our modern people right now is so high. And the second aspect of the second dimension of intelligence in yoga culture is called ahamkara. Literally, ahamkara, you can say it's like an identity. What you associate yourself with anything, that's called ahamkara. And buddhi or any other aspect of intelligence in yoga culture always serve your ahamkara, always serve your identity. And the third aspect or third dimension of intellect in yoga culture is called manas. Literally, manas means memory. If I say memory in here, it's not just about a memory in your brain or in your mind. The very body of yourself are contain a memory. You may already hear something called DNA or something like that. That's the proof that in every cell in your body, there's a memory within it. That is why I said, if you could at least understand or at least mastering these three aspects or three dimensions of intellect, you will relieve yourself from any kind of stress, because you always seeing yourself as one whole, not just a personal. And the last aspect or the last dimension of intellect in yoga culture, we always referring as a chitta. So chitta is like an original intellect, the very basis of your intellect. In yoga culture, we call it as a chitta. So those four, if you could at least mastering the three of them, the buddhi, the ahamkara, and manas, your knowledge, your identity, and your memory, you will find yourself free from all stress, free from all burden in your life. Why? Because you are going to put every burden in your life into appropriate places. If you could mastering it, you will find that you are going to become a more better person. My name is Cornelius. We meet again in the next video.